Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel One Step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to attach an image to shape in Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to launch the app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, now on the bottom of your screen, you can see a small plus sign. Tap on it and select the picture you want to add into shape. Select use in a new design. Once you do that, it's gonna take a few seconds. And you can see this elements option. Tap on it on the bottom of your screen and search for frames. Once you do that, you're gonna get some frames on your screen. Now select the frame you want and now select the picture, tap it and drag it into the frame. Now you can manage the size of the frame, and guys, that's it. That's how you add photo into the shape using Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.